NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KZZ65 in Bloomington. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast from Bloomington Normal. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Logan County, southeastern Tazewell County, southwestern McLean County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located 2 miles east of Emden, or 10 miles north of Lincoln, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Armington around 4:45 p.m. Atlanta around 5 p.m. McLean around 5:10 p.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 7 and 16. Interstate 55 between mile markers 137 and 145.